Hello, this is George Senda, the real official one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no substitutes or imposters, except only the authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is an episode of Burgh Unboxing, brought to you by Fluffy Cat, who is sitting next to me, waiting for her cat brothers and sisters to show up from Arcturus to invade the Earth and get rid of all evil dogs. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing. And I have a box here. Now, it took me about 5 minutes to open the box. I wouldn't have to run 5 minutes of video. But they give you real, genuine, in English, understandable instructions. A USB charging cord. And if I turn off the light, then we have the problem of you won't be able to see. So the only way I can think of doing this is lowering the light and turning it off. And here is the item. This is the UFO lamp. And it's very bright. And you can lower this and then to show that they're coming. The only thing it doesn't have is a cowl. And there goes the MacBook falling into the trash can. If you hold this down, it strobes really brightly. So I don't know how that will look, but it sure makes one hell of a nightlight. And you can turn that down or up, and that will turn the strobing off. Let's see. There we go. So they have it in pink. They have it in black, and I may get another one of these. But I think this is really cool. And then you just shut it off. So that's the UFO USB lamp. UFO lamp on eBay, model U2, DC 5 volts, made in China. Got another item, but they did not tell the right thing in their description, so I'm going to have to write them and say, how am I supposed to use this for the MacBook? Because they said PC. And to me, PC means personal computer of any kind, since it's a USB port device. And it won't work on my MacBook. But it's a pity because I wanted to tweak. I wanted to have some fun with the haters with it. And I hope I can get it to work. Otherwise, I'll have to program it with someone's PC. And do it that way. So I'll show it to you another time. All right, UFO lamp. This was about, I think, $12 on eBay. It was not expensive at all. But, you know, I mean, you could, this would work as a camera light too, I think, if I carried it along with me, if I were careful. And, of course, the giant, let's see, strobing. You could carry one of these in your car. If your car breaks down, you put put 4 UFO lights outside and, you know, get one in pink, it would look red in the darkness, and people wouldn't hit your car, and you could change a tire or get summon help, you know. Maybe you could summon an alien, I don't know. Anyway, that's it. The UFO lamp on eBay. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. First time I'm wearing the shirt other than to try it on. Sadly, they do not have a size for Kathy. They're out of stock. She would really like this shirt. It would be perfect for her kitties, and Caesar has now taken to climbing in the drawer and sleeping on one of Kathy's old robes. He likes the drawer, the dresser drawer, so it's very cute. Okay, this is George Senda, the real, original, one and only authentic official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening and stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe out there and watch the skies. Bye-bye.